isn't always the whole story. One fact doesn't tell everything. That'sからといってからといって means just because or simply because. Take the plain form then add からといって After that say why that reason isn't enough to reach a conclusion. 試験に一回落ちたからといって諦めないで Just because you failed one test don't give up. 日本に住んでいたからといって日本語が話せるとは限らない。 Just because someone lived in Japan doesn't mean they can speak Japanese. One reason isn't everything. You'll often hear からといって with endings like とは限らない or ではいけない。 It reminds us not to judge too quickly or assume too much in casual speech. You'll often hear からて instead. Deeper